Hello and welcome. Today I will show you 4 different ways to split screen in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. Make sure your videos are on top of each other and then scale them down to 50% one by one. Change their positions to the corner of the screen. Next, select all the videos and use the rectangle tool to create a separation between them. You can also customize the color, alignment, width and height of the separation. And there you have it. Select all the videos and search for the crop effect in the effect panel. Apply the effect to the selected video. Start by selecting the first video and go to the effect control. Adjust the crop settings by modifying the values for the left, top, right and the bottom. Repeat the same process for the second video and feel free to change the position as well. Just like in the first method, use the rectangle tool to create a separation. And there you have it. Search for radial wipe effect. Apply it into the first video. In the effect control, adjust the transition completion and the angle. Repeat the same process for the second video to create a similar effect. For the last video, you can modify position and scale. Then select all the video and use the pen tool to create a line. Go to the effect controls and add a stroke to the line. You can also create additional lines using the same method. Feel free to customize the color and size for the stroke. And then you have it, your split screen effect. Select your video and create an elliptical mask. Here, your imagination is the limit of how you use the mask. Be creative and try out different technique. If you used any of these methods, please tell me in the comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace out.